Hey there, this is Ashley with Solcara Health. All right, menopause. Oof, where do we start? Well, let's start with the symptoms. So I think a lot of us know them by now. We got low libido, weight gain, hair loss, dry skin, vaginal dryness, anxiety, depression, headaches. Oh my God, the list is crazy long. So, more importantly, what do we do about it? All right, let's think about how nature intended, right? So the first 2 weeks of your cycle, estrogen to start to climb, then you would ovulate, and then progesterone would climb, and then, no baby, and it crashes. So the follicular phase, higher in estrogen, luteal phase, higher in progesterone. One way of doing bioidentical hormones is to emulate that cycle. And so you're mirroring what nature intended. Another option is just replacing what you've lost and keeping it really nice and stable. It's called monophasic. Lots of different ways to do it. And honestly, at Solcara Health, all of our patients, we do something different with because it's really customized to how you feel, what your symptoms are, what your labs are. And we work with that. If you have questions about it, we have lots of answers and we want to help you feel human again. So please reach out and lively up your health.